doing? I hope you all are fine. As for me, I'm perfectly okay by the grace of God. Yeah. So my people, not easy. Seriously, this is not easy. This is a full-time job. Yeah. Yesterday, I really made something nice, something delicious, something yummy. But there's no time for me to set camera. Seriously. If not only me one, okay, fine. I go even prefer doing the video than me eating. But in this case, it's not like that. My princess, they are hungry. They need to eat. Yeah. So I just have to minus that camera out of it. Seriously. And then I need to face the food, make it sharply, quickly. So they need to eat. Yeah. So that is it. I will just imagine, what about people that post more than one video a day? They post more than 3 videos, more than 4 videos a day. Kudos to you all. You will eat the fruit of your labor, seriously, because this is full-time work, full-time job. But for this, we are not going back home. We don't already start out. So I will say maybe we never start out, don't already start out. But by the grace of God, yes. With God, by the grace of God, we are not going back. Yeah. Yes, we are not going back, and we will see the end. It will end in praise. Forward ever, backward never. Yeah. So guys, I will be making this sweet potato before I leave. Yeah. So that if we come back in the evening, this will be our savior. This will be our savior. Yeah. So I need to make it before I leave. I just have I have 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. So I have already checked my time box and everything. So 2 hours. I need to make this leave. So guys, let's make this together. She like play.
Never, ever, never. Never, ever, never. You're the universe and I was revolving like a sun on my own. I know that you would do anything for me, but I just need to move on. I was running from a bad thing when I first met you. This is gonna hurt, but it doesn't make it any less true. I never really loved you. I never really did call you my only. I'm only holding on to something in my head because I'm lonely. I never ever meant to hurt you, but it doesn't make it any less true. Never ever never, but it doesn't make it any less true. You say you notice how my eyes have been glowing since I've been on my own. I was scared to start
If you
my
are still watching it now, times a billion times. Times a million